Hi, good evening to all. So today's topic is all about negotiable instrument. It is an important topic of banking law and practice. So today's model is all about a negotiable instrument considered as dishonored. Dishonor will happen when Troy of the negotiable instrument refuses not to pay or accept the bill. That time the dishonor will come into existence. Negotiable instrument means the promissory note, bill of exchange or check payable either to order or to bearer. Negotiable instrument definition is given under section 13A of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Negotiable means transferable the instrument from one person to another. It contains the promissory note and the bill of exchange and the check. It has to payable to Troy or as per the order of the Troy. The first one is the dishonor of a negotiable instrument. Certain circumstances will happen. That time the instrument will dishonor. An instrument is said to be dishonored when the acceptance and or the payment is refused and a duly presented instrument. If the Troy does not accept or refuse to pay against the instrument, but the instrument is prepared in well manner, that time the dishonor will come into existence. Negotiable instrument may be dishonored in two ways. It will happen in two ways. The first one is a dishonor by non-acceptance by Troy. It explains under section 91 of NI Act 1881. Only a bill may be dishonored by non-acceptance. Bill of exchange only come into the dishonor of non-acceptance. A bill is deemed to be dishonored by non-acceptance in any of the following cases. If a bill is said to be dishonored by non-acceptance, they will come across one of the following cases. The first one, refused to accept by Troy. Troy does not accept the bill, does not accept the instrument, not signed by all the Troys. If the Troy is bound in the partnership form, everyone in that form should sign on the instrument. But some of the partners refuse to sign on the instrument. That time the dishonor will come into existence. Not accepted by any partner. If some of the partner accepts and receives the instrument, but some does not accept. That time the instrument will be dishonored. Bill not accepted within 48 hours. Accepted by the Troyer from the Troy within 2 days. If not the bill, the instrument will be dishonored. Troy could not be found. If the Troy has gone somewhere, that time Troy will not be able to sign on the instrument. That time also the instrument will be dishonored. The next way is a dishonored by non-payment, Troy will refuse to pay against the instrument. It's called non-payment. It explains under section 92 of NI Act 8081. If the acceptor fails to make payment when it is due, the bill is dishonored by non-payment. If the Troy does not make the payment, if the Troy does not make the payment, that time the instrument will be dishonored. It happens in two ways. The first one is the default in payment. Then the second one is when excused from presentment. On these two ways, the instrument will be dishonored. And the dishonor of a check, one can file a suit for recovery of the check amount along with the cost and the interest. If an instrument has a dishonored, the holder of the instrument can go to the court and file a suit against the Troy to recover the check amount along with the maintenance cost and the interest as per the norms. The next topic is noting and protesting. Noting is a convenient mode of authenticating the fact that your bill or note has been dishonored. When a promissory note or the bill of exchange has been dishonored, that time the noting will come into existence. Noting is now orally complained about the dishonored situation to the notary public. Notary public is the one who sits in the bank, is authorized the person by the banking sector. Sometimes the bank's manager or are acted as a notary public. When dishonored the holder, when dishonored the instrument, the holder causes such dishonor to be noted by a notary public. The holder should hand over the instrument to the notary public to note the instrument. Noting is a minute recorded by a notary public and the dishonored instrument. Notary public will be recorded about the dishonored instrument on his record. When an instrument, say a bill of exchange, is to be noted for a dishonor, it is taken to notary public who presents it once again for acceptance or payment as the case may be, and if the drawee or acceptor still refuse to accept or pay the bill, it is noted. When the holder of the instrument which has been dishonored, he went to the notary public and tell about the dishonor of the instrument. The notary public receives that dishonor instrument and send it back to the Troy to accept the instrument. But at the time also he refuses to accept or make the payment. Then finally the notary public is noted. A minute is prepared containing the date of dishonor, reason for such dishonor, etc., which is attached to the instrument, and the facts are noted on the instrument. The notary public is prepared the date of the dishonor dishonored instrument, the reason for the reason of dishonoring. These details now has to be attached along with the instrument and reported to the bank. The next one is the protest. When an instrument is dishonored, the holder may cause the fact not and by to the noted, but also to be certified by a notary public that the bill has been dishonored. Noting is all about the oral statement between the holder of the dishonored the instrument and the notary public. But in case of a protest, we need to certify the dishonored instrument authoritatively with the notary public. It's called the protest. Such a certificate is referred to as a protest. The certificate is named itself as the protest. If an acceptor of a bill is taken for insolvency or otherwise before the date of maturity of the bill, the holder may cause such a fact also to be noted under the certified. If the Troy is not the Troy has not been able to pay or accept the bill in case of the insolvency or otherwise before the date of maturity, on that fact the notary public noted the dishonored instrument and certified that instrument. Such a certificate is called as a protest for better security. Certificate acts as a better security for the holder of the dishonored instrument. The contents of a protest are given in section 101 of the NI Act. The protest explains under the section 101 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Neither noting nor the protesting is compulsory in the case of inland bills. We are talking about the inland bills, there is no need of noting and protesting is a compulsory. But in case of foreign bills, the protested for a dishonor bill must be needed. It explains under the section 104. The advantage of both noting and protesting is that this constitutes prime facie evidence in the court of the fact that the instrument has been dishonored. The main motive of both of noting and protesting, it acts as a good evidence in the court of court whenever the instrument has been dishonored. We need to submit the noting and protesting in the court. We can recover we can recover from that we can recover from that. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.